Hello and welcome to the first video of Mr. Pythagoras Maths. We'll be covering quadratics in this video and it's about a 5 to 6 level. So let's begin. A quadratic is an equation on a graph which can intersect the graph at 2 points. Below is an average of is an image of a quadratic intersecting 2 places on the x-axis. As you can see, one is the graph intersects, the line intersects at x equals 1 and x equals 4. How to solve the quadratic using a formula. The first method I'll be showing you is the quadratic formula. Minus b plus or minus over b squared minus 4ac over 2a. You must learn this formula and it's not given for any of the tests. Steps to solve a quadratic. Set out your a, b's and c's of the equation. 2. Use the quadratic formula and substitute in your values. 3. Simplify your equation and you'll get 2 solutions. Next I'll show you how to solve a quadratic using the formula, so the steps. So here's an example of using the formula. Here I've used x squared minus 6x minus 12 and I have laid out the a, b and c's and substitute the a, b and c into the formula and simplify to give me the answer at the end. As you can see, I've not completely simplified the answer, but if you put this in the calculator, you get an answer. Here are some problems for you to try. Use the same steps as I did before. So click pause and click play when you're ready. Here are the answers. So what you want to do is that you want to substitute in the values into the formula, as you should get these answers: x equals a half and x equals minus 4, the first one, and the second one x equals 3 and x equals 2. Another way of solving a quadratic is factorizing. So here in my example, I've got x squared plus 5x plus 6, and I will do it here visually. So you normally do 1, so x square here, and then 6 here. So you know the x square is only 1 here for your a. So a times c, which is 6. So which two numbers multiply to 6? And also add to 5, because 5 is your b. So because you have there are two factors which times two together, which give you 6, and also adds to 5, will be 3 and 2. So now we'll have to use x squared plus 3x from here, plus 2x plus 6. So instead of having the b, we use the factors, so the 3x and the 2x. And then now we factorize each of these so that you have x on the outside, because x squared, you need to get x out, plus 3, because 3 times x is 3x, plus 2x plus 6, and then you should have 2 brackets which are exactly the same. So we have x plus 3 and x plus 3 here, and x plus 2 as well equals 0. So since all of this equates to 0, equals to 0, our solution will be minus 3 and minus 2. So in summary, a quadratic is a polynomial which can have 2 roots. We can solve them by using the quadratic formula, factorizing, or completing the square, which I'll be discovering and showing you in the next video, which is also a grade 8 to 9 topic, so I think I might do that from the next video. And if the root cannot be found, then we are left with complex roots. So complex roots have that little I thing, which you do not need to know in the GCSE spec, but if you're going to learn A-level maths or further maths, you know that there are complex roots which are not real roots, like 1s and 0s have the 5i or something like that. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and like my first video. If you leave a comment down if you want to know any topics I want to cover, because as you know, all my content, all my videos will be for free. And yeah, see you guys.